If multi-factor authentication is enforced on your Microsoft account, an extra login step is required to be completed before you can log in. Logging in starts the same way as it usually does by entering your email and your password. If you use the Microsoft Authenticator app, a new screen will appear asking you to insert a number into a pop-up that appears on the mobile device you got the app installed on. Once you insert the number and hit yes, you will be logged into your account. Now, if you tapped "No, it's not me" on accident, there's still another way to log into your account. On this new screen you get once you decline a login attempt, click Enter a security code. A new screen pops up where Microsoft now asks you for a verification code. In the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap on your account on the home screen. You will see a one-time password code that regenerates itself after 30 seconds. Within those 30 seconds, insert the one-time password code into the verification screen on the device you're trying to log in with and click Verify. You should now be logged in. If you use another Authenticator app, Microsoft might ask you for a security code instead. Go to your preferred Authenticator app and insert the randomly generated code into the login screen. Once you have done that, click Verify. If the code is correct, you will be logged in. If you use SMS authentication instead, Microsoft shows you the option to log in using your phone number by texting you an authentication code. Click on your phone number and wait for the text to come in. Once you got it, insert the code into the login screen and then click Verify. If the code is correct, you will be let through. And this is how you log into your Microsoft account using several different multi-factor authentication methods. Now, of course, it's key to make sure to never let anyone else use your authentication codes. So if you ever get a message or a pop-up asking for it without you trying to log in, ignore that message and talk to IT about it. That way you can be sure that your account stays safe and secure. Good luck! With Workplace Buddy, we help you and your organization stay up to date and secure in this digital world. Our bite-sized learnings, updates, and support are tailored to your personal needs and your security skill level. If you're interested to learn more, go to our website and schedule a demo. And of course, I hope you all have an alpaca-tastic day.